Inspirations for recipes come from everywhere, mostly friends, books, but today's recipe comes from a tater. No, not a potater, a tater. A guy I work with inspired me to make buffalo style Spam. And we're gonna make them in the style of Spam fingers. So let's try this out and see if it's worth eating. Okay, this is my second attempt at this. I made this here just the other day and it didn't come out quite the way I'd hoped it would. So I modified it a little bit. Now let me tell you what I've done. We got a can of Spam. And you pick your favorite Spam, whatever. This is gonna be buffalo style though, so I figure a little jalapeno will kick it up a notch. And I've got Frank's hot sauce and an egg. It's the buffalo sauce and the egg mixed together. Last time I just used straight up Frank's and it did not stick to the Spam that well. So I'm gonna try again today and see what happens. And I've got Italian pork rinds. You can use flour if you're not doing keto or whatever, but this is the pork, P-O-R-Q, Italian style crushed pork rinds. So all we're gonna do real quickly is, first of all, do the most important thing. Listen to this. Yeah. And then we're gonna pop it, get a little air on the side, and it should come right out. Just like that. A little tip for you. All right, then we're gonna slice it up into, pretty good chunks. So let's go with that. And then I'm gonna come back, put it back together, and then slice it the other way 2 times. Okay. Now these are really I guess you'd say these are the buffalo style Spam fries. I've made Spam fries before. You can look in the description and see links to those. I've got a whole Spam playlist of stuff, but what we're going to do is throw this in the buffalo egg mixture here, slosh it around a little bit, get them well coated, and then we're going to bread them, and we're going to utilize the old air fryer today. All right, let's get that. Where I work, I hardly know anybody's real name. Everybody's got nicknames like T-Bone, Mad Dog, Cornbread, just everybody's got a nickname. So this one comes from Tater. I think his real name's Robert. Good fella. We sit around talking about food most of the day, and me and another guy named Mo. If you're into a keto or low carb lifestyle, or you just like Spam a lot, and let me invite you to subscribe to the channel and stick around and see what's coming up in the future. Ring the bell and all that good stuff, and that way you'll be notified of new recipes. I'm just a blue collar guy. I'm on a weight loss journey. I've lost 128 pounds so far, and I'm nowhere where I want to be, but I'm getting there slowly, and I enjoy just doing common, simple things, and I do like Spam. All right, we're gonna go put these in the air fryer, 400 degrees. I'm gonna spray them with a little olive oil and let them run for about 5 minutes and flip them over, and hopefully we'll have some buffalo style Spam fries. As you can see, they're in there cooking up. This is the one that's single breaded. I'm experimenting to see if there's that big of a difference between the two. And we'll let these things cook up about halfway, about 5 minutes, and flip them over and see what happens. So these are fresh out of the fryer. We're gonna try them out here in a second and see how they are. Man, I tell you, these look a lot better than the first batch I did, but hey, you live and learn, you try new things, and sometimes it don't always pan out, so try again. I think this is a winner though, because it's really adhered to the Spam a little better, so let's try it out. Oh yeah, there is our buffalo Spam fry. Dip it in some ranch, or in this case I have some buffalo chicken dip here, And what I'm gonna do is try this out and see how it goes. How's that? So I'm gonna dip it right in there. My goodness gracious. Tater, I'll bring you a couple of these to work tomorrow and let you see what you can come up with. That's pretty good. I like it. Need more Spam? Man, that turned out awesome. I'm glad I tried it. Hey, until next time, eat those Spam fingers buffalo style, and may the Lord bless you. Was it good? Oh yeah. Samson approved.